And with New Delhi all set to host the India AI Impact Summit 2026, the spotlight is firmly back on artificial intelligence. As over 6 million employed in the tech and AI ecosystem, AI has become vital for Indian startups. The government's initiatives like India AI Mission have helped boost innovation in this field. This report has more details.
From boosting workers' productivity to providing data-driven services, artificial intelligence is revolutionizing India's startup ecosystem. According to government data, over 6 million people are employed in the tech and AI ecosystem. India hosts more than 1,800 global capability centers, including over 500 focused on AI. Nearly 89% of newly launched startups used AI in their products or services. Leading sectors in AI adoption include consumer goods, retail, financial services, insurance, and healthcare. A Stanford University survey ranked India third globally in artificial intelligence competitiveness based on growth and innovation metrics. The government's India AI Mission and the AI Centers of Excellence initiatives are at the heart of this transformation, making AI affordable and accessible. Launched in 2024, India AI Mission marks a defining step towards making India a global leader in artificial intelligence. It's building a comprehensive ecosystem that drives innovation, supports startups, and ensures the responsible use of AI for the public good. From an initial target of 10,000 graphics processing units or GPUs, India now has 38,000 GPUs, providing affordable access to world-class AI resources. A GPU is a specialized electronic circuit that can process many pieces of data simultaneously. To encourage research-driven innovation, the government has also set up AI centers of excellence in key sectors like healthcare, agriculture, and sustainable cities. These centers serve as collaborative spaces for academia, industry, and government institutions. For startups, artificial intelligence has become a trusted digital companion. Be it customer support or analytics, AI is helping startups innovate faster while cutting costs. Bureau Report, DD India.